everyone, welcome. How are you today? Today I'm coming to you with a haul. It's a small haul. I just wanted to share them with you. So if you are interested in seeing what I picked up, then just keep watching. I have recently started using Win products, basically the cleansing conditioners. I was getting really frustrated trying to find one that I really did enjoy, and I felt like it was doing something for my hair. So I got a hold of everybody's bestie, Mary Glitzy Fritzy. I will link her channel down below. And I was asking for her advice. We chatted for a while and I placed an order. Just the other day, I get an email and they're having a Win special. And I was like, I have to get this. Like, it's a no-brainer. This was $69, which is the cost of one item in here. This is how it came. Very nice. Everything very well protected. You get a treatment oil, 4 fluid ounce. This is the pomegranate rosemary scent. It really didn't have any scents that appealed to me. The others that I got were that, what is it, $6.19 or something? I don't know. It's the one that he made for his mother, and I got one that was called something light. This is the 32 ounce pomegranate cleansing conditioner, and there's also a pump in here for that. You also get a 16 ounce fall fresh apple cleansing conditioner, and this is a re-moist hydrating mask. When they talked about this, how good it was, I was like, I want to try it. And then they said that it's normally $72. So when I got the box, I thought, it's going to be huge. No, it's not huge. But I am going to try it. Oh, it's kind of that's really different. Okay, I'm wasting it. That was probably like $17 right there. But I'm anxious to give that a try and see how it does. And like I said, then there's the 2 pumps for the shampoo bottles. This is the pomegranate smell. And then I also got the lavender. I had some CVS dollars, so I went in and used them on my favorite lip liner. These are by LA Girls, and these are the ultimate lip liners. These are so good. I love these. I got 3 different colors. Keep it spicy. Forever Nude. Nonstop Nude. I'll show you all 3 together. When I was at Walmart, I picked up a CoverGirl Easy Brow Microfine Definer. I've heard so many good things about this. The most negative thing I've heard about this, honestly, is how fast it runs out. It is $6.97. So we'll give it a try and see how it does. And then I saw 2 palettes at Walmart also that were new out. One I didn't know was out. The other one I didn't think I'd be able to find so easily. The Maybelline Soda Pop and the Milani Pure Passion. Okay, I'm just going to swatch into a couple of these. Oh wow. Some really pretty payoffs. Okay, and that was just a real quick, I just swatched just a few. And the mattes do feel dry in here. I'll be real honest with you. I got their other palette, the lemonade one, and it's really pretty. I really enjoyed it, so I have high hopes for that. And then this Milani Pure Passion. There was one more that was new. It was more like all browns, and that's really not, I'm not really into that. So, and this nice big mirror in these colors. And here are just some super quick swatches. I've always wanted to try an eyeshadow palette from Amazon, so I did pick this one up by Jacob and Ellie. 18 blendable matte and shimmer shadows. Oh, there went the little, I'll never keep those anyway. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with these. Okay, let's pearl matte. One swipe. Like, I seriously, okay, that emerald one isn't so great. I just swatched just a few out of this palette. I really want to do a look with these, like right now, but yeah, I'm not going to. That is Jacob and Ellie. Aren't those pretty? There is, look, they even have a matte brow bone color. Diggity dog. These I'm excited about. Okay, that is it. That's just a little bit that I hauled this week. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Remember, you're amazing. I will see you in the next video.